No, but it should be illegal to be this cute because purple. Oh, period. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sakaela. If you are new and if you are not new, how you doing? How have you been? So, you know, we got the natural hair out today. No, we don't. So we just got this hair. This wig is so flipping cute. You'll see, I thought that it was gonna be a flop, but I personally think that it was a success. This hair is from afsisterwig. They did sponsor this video. Shout out to them for sending me this unit. Thank you so much. So we're just gonna install it and we're gonna style it, and you're gonna see how I got it to look like this, because I promise you it was looking very like there's no way it's gonna be cute. But did I do that? I think I did. So if you want to see how I got this cute little hairstyle, keep on watching. Alright y'all, so we're gonna try and make this work. When I say make it work, I just don't feel like this is something that will look cute on me. So it's a pixie cut wig. It's from afsisterwig. It's a full lace wig, so it's got no tracks in it. There are 3 combs, 1 here, 2 on the side, and 4 combs, sorry, and 1 in the back. It also comes with the detachable elastic band, but I don't need it because it's pretty snug. So I'm just gonna cut off this lace and put it on, and then we're gonna see what's just singing after that. How am I supposed? This looks sick. How am I supposed to make this look nice? Oh my goodness. You know what? Optimism, honey. Period. All right, let's go. We're just gonna lay her down, and then we're gonna believe that we can make it look. Oh my gosh, I look like. What's that girl's name? What's her name? You know that one I'm talking about. Curly haired girl. I don't know her name, but I look like that little white girl. Goldilocks. And she would sing. I know exactly what I'm talking about. They used to have infomercials on the TV promoting her. Alright, so it's on. I don't hate it now, but what we're gonna do right now is just some baby hairs, and just let's get real cute. Let's try to cute this up, because I mean I feel like I look like I am from, oh my gosh, like this early. This is comical. OMG. Alright, so we're gonna do some baby hair. This is hilarious. You know what? I don't hate it. We ain't done yet. Let me not get too excited. I want to like kind of I like how this is coming forward. Does this need to come forward? Or no? Okay, I just don't know how to style it. Just leave it. Or should I do like a little bitty, little single bun? Or is that childish? Right? That's childish. I don't know how to style this. That's what's becoming my dilemma right now. Is what do I do? Like from this time in this mirror, honey, I'm like, oh, short hair is killer. Period. Period. Okay, I'm gonna figure out how to style it and come back because my battery is going to die. Okay, before I go any further, I think I have an idea. What am I gonna do? So I'm just gonna try and hide my wig cap somehow. What I'm thinking to do is like this. So I'm gonna take some gel and take I think that's cute, right? Yeah, I like that. I put some lip gloss on, and then I'm gonna call this done. Alright, so this is the final look. I am not mad, you know. I really am not mad. Like, this is so flippin' cute. Am I crazy for thinking that this is cute? Like, is it like, no, Sakayla, you can't pull it off? Or is it like, you know what, Sakayla, this is kind of nice? But yeah, so it's a full lace wig. I'm gonna try to show you the back so you kind of see what it looks like in the back. But yes ma'am, I think this looks really adorable. I'm about to take some selfies. I'm about to take me some selfies because I feel cute as shucks. But yeah guys, so thank you again to afsisterwig for sponsoring this video, sending me this unit you know you love. This is my favorite hair company, hands down. The lace is great, the quality of the hair is great. Like, it's just an overall good company. I have Nala and I've been working with these lot for probably like 2 years now. My favorite company, 𝕬𝕚ℎ𝑚𝕚. But yeah, this is really cute. I really thought I was gonna, because if you saw at the beginning, I really thought I was gonna look real stupid, but I look cute. So yeah guys, tell me what you think in the comments, if you think that I pulled this look off, if you think that I look nice with short hair like this, or if it's a miss, or is it a hit. Let me know, I want to know, because but yeah guys, all information to this hair will be in the description box. If I have a coupon code, it will be down there as well. Of course, it gets your little coin off of your purchase. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because you know you want to get it with me. Follow me on my Instagram, and I will see y'all in my next one. Peace out, Girl Scout. Check you later.